Good morning, students. Today I will start chapter 7 from your Gulmohar book, that is Rabbit Turnip. So now let's start with the new words from the chapter. The first word is turnip. Turnip. Turnip means a round white and purple vegetable that grows underground. Now the second, hopping about. Hopping. About means moving around in short jumps with both feet. Now the next, pawed. Pawed means dug at something with his paws. Next, hurried. Hurried. Hurried means moved quickly to go somewhere. Now the next is trotted. Trotted means run or jog. Passed this way means walked by this place. Trugged. Trugged means moved slowly. Now the next, exclaimed. Exclaimed means said something loudly to show excitement or surprise. Now the next, cabbage. Cabbage means a round vegetable with big green, purple or white leaves. So these are the new words from the chapter Rabbit Turnip. Just try to learn it. Now move through the opposites. The first is hurry. Hurry. Hurry means slow. Second, trotted. The opposite of trotted is fall. Now the opposite of back, front. Now the opposite of exclaim, mitted or whisper. Now the opposite of open, close. So these are the 5 opposites from the chapter Rabbit Turnip. Now let's start with the story. So here the story title is Rabbit's Turnip. It was winter. Rabbit was hopping about in a field. He was looking for something to eat. It is going to snow soon, Rabbit said to himself. I have to find some food. So he pawed through the field till he found a turnip. Then he found a second one. He took the turnips and hurried home. Soon Rabbit was warm, safe and happy. Then he thought about Donkey. Donkey lived alone on a hill. I wonder if Donkey has any food, thought Rabbit. I have 2 turnips. I will give one to her. So Rabbit slowly rolled a turnip up the hill to Donkey's house. Donkey was not at home. It was snowing. So Rabbit left the turnip by the door and hopped back home. After some time, Donkey returned home. She had found a potato for herself. She saw the turnip by the door. What a lovely surprise, said Donkey. But my potato is enough for me. God's always hungry. I should take this to him. Donkey trotted to God's house, but he was not there. So Donkey left the turnip by the door and went back home. Soon Goat returned home with a cabbage. He saw the turnip by the door. Dear me, said Goat. Someone has lost a turnip. It must be Deer when she passed this way. I should return this to her. Goat then rolled the turnip to Deer's house. But Deer was not there. So Goat left the turnip by the door and trotted back home. Deer came home with a carrot she had found. She saw the turnip. How kind, Someone's left me a gift, said Deer. But there's no need to keep more than I can eat. There is so much snow. I wonder if Rabbit was able to find any food at all. I will give this to him. Deer walked carefully through the deep, deep snow. Rabbit was at home, but he was asleep. So Deer left the turnip by the door and then trudged back home. The next morning, Rabbit woke up early. He opened the door, and what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. "Now, how has this come back to me?" exclaimed Rabbit. So this is the whole story is all about. So the idea of this story is Little Rabbit finds two turnips on a wintry day. He gobbles up one of them and then thinks of Little Donkey with nothing to eat. He takes him the other turnip. Since Little Donkey is out, Little Rabbit leaves the turnip on his doorstep and hops back home. So this is the whole story is all about. So children, just read the story one more time and just try to learn the new words and the opposites from the chapter. Okay? So thank you for today.